is family road trip day. I'm going to load my partner and our 2 kids into my Ford Falcon, and I'm going to drive 30 kilometers to the coast. Fingers crossed nothing goes wrong. Wynnum. It's a family. The car made it in one go. Overcast and windy out here today, but the important takeaway is made it 29 days with no drivers. There's my car, safe and sound in the car park that I can see. It's because it doesn't have central locking. I think so. Trip summary. Got to Wynnum and back, no dramas. Car got a little bit hot in the traffic. Didn't go over 100 degrees, and that was almost when we were home anyway. So it went pretty well. Got to say, I miss having a left side passenger side mirror, because there are a lot of times where I'm looking to change lanes and it's not there. That's no big deal. Christmas is coming. Another thing I also noticed was the positive feedback from other road users and passers-by. Got a wave of acknowledgement from an old guy on a motorcycle as I got to the Wynnum Esplanade, and I got the nod from a guy driving an old Mustang as well, so that was nice. And some positive feedback from people that were walking down the Esplanade. So yeah, muscle cars bring joy to other muscle car enthusiasts.